Well, launch day, May 16th. Got the RV all ready to be put away. The boat is ready to go. Been here for about a month now, working hard on it. All kinds of different projects, but she's looking pretty good. Got the bow thruster all ready to test out. Put the 24-volt unit in it. Our bottom paint's holding up well. In a couple of years now since we had the bottom restored, everything looks good. And added some more zinc paint to the rudder and the prop. Checked all the zincs, they're okay. And she did all the rub rails here. Couple coats of Cetal, sanded them down, and she put a couple coats more on our swim platform, so it's looking good. Dinghy's all ready to go. Dewinterized the motor, did some maintenance to it. So I'll be on the water later today. We'll spend overnight on the dock and head out tomorrow, and we'll probably go to an anchorage so we can test out the windlass. Did some major work up here. I took the windlass all apart, cleaned it all up, re-lubricated everything, and redid all the benches here and the pulpit, Samson post. Looking good. Everything has been brought up and stowed away. All kinds of food. Refrigerator's stocked. We have a freezer down below, fully stocked. Oh, almost there. Skies are clearing up after a bit of a storm went through last night. Glad we didn't launch then, but we got a couple nice days coming. There's Captain Ann patiently waiting. Okay, got Captain Ann's gonna give her a test. Get close up here. Yeah. Happy? 2 thumbs up. Well, there we go. Successful launch. We stayed overnight at the dock just to make sure everything is okay. Nothing leaking in the bottom. New bow thruster is working good. Solar systems are working good. We'll be testing out the anchor pretty soon. But overall, quite happy with it. It's looking really nice. Ann's redone all the teak, pretty well all the teak on the boat now. It's starting to look really good. So all systems go for another summer on the beautiful British Columbia coast. Stay tuned, everyone. Until next time, Ray from Love Your RV and Boat. Cheers, guys.